So this is how 120 frames per second looks like. I just shot this ceiling fan at 1000 frames per second, and as you can see, that's how 120 frames per second 11 megapixel images are going to look like. So imagine what you can capture at 120 frames per second. And I was shooting for like 2-3 seconds, so you can see I started with 1200 images, and right now I'm approximately reaching to 1700. Yep, all right. Okay, so 1782. So from 1204 to 1782. That's how many frames I got in 3 seconds, I believe, or 4. I don't know, 4 seconds.